It's my part in Alaska. Is amazing. Spectacular. Can't really say much anymore about Alaska. It's so nice here. And cold. It's summertime, but this is Alaska, so still got this. They're gonna go pick some vegetables or whatever down there. There's a trail going down, so I'm gonna go down. Oh, go more. I'll see you in there. Look this way. Look at this video. This way, we're going to go in a few minutes. It's not that steep, but I still gotta watch my footing. Ra phaแต่ละตัวเดียวnó sao? Nó cá đi chả? How did it taste like? How did it taste like?
Good. It's good.
It's pretty steep. There we go. It's very steep. It's pretty steep, tell that. So go all the way down there.
Nó phải tốt đầy rau nè, rau đỏ nè. Còn ra một số rau cũng trả theo. Sẽ nó cá cơ nè.
What does it taste like?
Cá hình gì? Có một số cái cá sắp
He said that it tastes good with a meat. So probably. Yeah, we came all the way here for that. Awesome.
Peace.
Go ahead. That was a good climb. Back. Huff and puff.